You pull your freshly cut soap from the mold, and there they are, those stubborn orange dots staring back at you. DOS, or dreaded orange spots, can quietly ruin an entire batch before you even get a chance to use it. I am Kathy the Clumsy Soaper, and today we are going to spot, identify, and stop dreaded orange spots before they destroy your hard work. You will learn what causes DOS, how to catch it early, and how to prevent it in both home and commercial soap making. Let us protect your bars together. This is a good one. So you pull your soap off the curing rack, looking forward to gifting or selling those bars, and there they are, little orange dots scattered across the surface or hiding inside when you cut. That is DOS, dreaded orange spots, and it is one of the most frustrating discoveries in soap making because the batch looked perfectly fine at unmold. DOS is essentially rancidity. Your oils have undergone oxidation, meaning oxygen has reacted with the unsaturated fatty acids in your soap, breaking them down and producing those telltale orange or brownish spots, along with sometimes a crayon-like or cardboard smell. Think of it like a cut apple turning brown on your kitchen counter. Same chemistry, just happening inside your cured bar over days or weeks. The good news is, DOS does not automatically mean your entire batch is a loss, and understanding why it happens puts you in control of preventing it next time. We are going to walk through a quick, practical fix so you can assess the situation, salvage what you can, and more importantly, adjust your formula and process so it does not happen again. Dreaded orange spots, or DOS, is essentially rancidity happening inside your finished bar. When certain oils, particularly high linoleic ones like sunflower or rosehip, oxidize, they break down and produce those characteristic orange or brown spots, along with that unpleasant crayon-like smell. Think of it like butter going rancid on your counter. The fats are reacting with oxygen, and the process keeps going once it starts. Old oils, heat during storage, and high linoleic oil percentages are your three main culprits here. The good news is that catching DOS early means you still have options to rescue the batch before it spreads through the entire bar. So you have got a bar with some orange spots on it. Here is what you do right now. Grab your knife and cut around those spotted areas. Whatever is left, clean and unspotted, is perfectly usable soap. Just keep it for yourself or your household. Do not sell spotty bars ever. Use them within 4 weeks before the oxidation spreads further. This is your fastest, most practical win when dealing with DOS. Before you even think about touching your lye, go smell your oils, every single one of them. Rancid oil is the #1 hidden cause of dreaded orange spots in cold processed soap, and it smells unmistakably wrong. Kind of sharp, sour, almost like old crayons or plastic. If an oil has been sitting in your cabinet longer than 12 months, toss it without guilt. Buy smaller bottles next time so you actually use them up fresh. Now that you have identified DOS spots in your batch, here is how you prevent them in the next one. Add rosemary oleoresin extract, which we call ROE, at just 0.05% of your total oil weight. It is a concentrated antioxidant that interrupts the oxidation chain reaction before it can cause those pale, greasy patches. If ROE is unavailable, vitamin E at 0.5% is your backup. Small amounts, big protection. So let us lock in 3 simple habits that will protect your next batch from DOS before it even starts. First, smell every oil before it goes into your pot. Your nose is actually a surprisingly reliable oxidation detector. If an oil smells sour, nutty, or like old crayons, it is already rancid and will seed DOS straight into your soap. Second, add rosemary oleoresin extract, or ROE, at around 0.05% of your total oil weight. That small amount significantly slows the chain reaction of oxidation happening in your vulnerable oils. Third, store your finished bars somewhere cool and dark. Heat accelerates rancidity, and light degrades antioxidants. So together, they are the perfect recipe for DOS to develop even after your soap looks perfectly fine coming out of the mold. 3 habits, completely manageable, and your bars will thank you for it. So, let us wrap up what matters most. Dreaded orange spots form when oils go rancid, And your best defense is using fresh, quality oils combined with rosemary oleoresin extract as your antioxidant shield. Getting your superfat and water levels right through a reliable lye calculator like mysoapcalc.com keeps your bars stable and beautiful for the long run. Whether you are crafting small batches at home or scaling up production, these habits protect every bar you make. You have got this, and I am rooting for you. Once again, this is Kathy the Clumsy Soaper. Be blessed and be a blessing to others.